Hello, good day viewers. Welcome to this mathematics presentation. So in this presentation, I want us to answer this simple question right here. So the question reads, solve for x. So we have x squared minus 1 is equal to 0. So we need to find the value of what? Of x. So we are going to use two simple methods so that we see which one is good for you. Okay. So the first method that we are going to use is going to involve the difference of two squares, because you can see we have x squared minus 1 equal to 0. So we can square this 1, okay? So we are going to have x squared minus 1 squared is equal to 0. Okay, now one of the according to the principle of the difference of two squares, if you have a squared minus b squared, this one is equal to a plus b in brackets, again a minus b. Okay, so we can also apply it here where we have x squared minus 1 squared. So we are going to write as x minus 1, again x plus 1. Then we equate to what? To 0. So this x minus 1, this expression, okay, x minus 1, we can equate it to 0 so that we can have an equation x minus 1 equal to 0. Or this one, x plus 1, we also equate it to what? To 0. So this means that x is equal to 1, because negative 1 will go to the right hand side where I have 0. It's going to be 0 plus 1, which will be a 1. Or x equal to this positive 1 will go to the right hand side. It's going to become a negative 2, be 0 minus 1, which will be a negative 1. So these are the two possible values of what? Of x. Now, we can also solve it using a different approach, where we can say x squared minus 1 is equal to 0. So what you are going to do is, we can let this negative 1 to go to the right hand side. So we are going to have x squared is equal to 0 plus 1, it's a 1. Now, this x is having a power 2. Okay, so we should get rid of this square by introducing the square root to both sides of the equation. So here, this 2 and the square root to cancel. X is equal to plus or minus the square root of 1 is a 1. So this tells us that we have two possible values of x, which is x is equal to 1 or x is equal to negative 1. So you can either use this approach or the other one. So thank you so much. We've come to the end of our short presentation. This has been your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. Bye bye.